got you. Finger licking what? Good. Holy smack. The girls want to go out again. They said, let's go to Frankie's. I said,
Not
who's
me.
Frankie?
Not me.
Literally, who's Frankie? How much percent?
75.
75. When we all go to heaven. Guess where we are? We in Trinidad. Trinidad. Where are my people? Where are my people? When I tell you, this vlog is about to be legitness. It's about to be iconic. It's about to be amazing. So don't forget to hold on, clock it, like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, your girl is in Trinidad and Tobago for carnival season. You're probably like, why is Shorty starting the vlog in bed? Because absolute mood. When I tell you, oh my god, the flight here, it was like a nighttime flight, and tell me why the shorties did not want to turn off the light on the flight so nobody slept. And then the turbulence, oh my, Jiminy Timbers. And then we come here and we communicated with the guy and was like, we're gonna be here at 5 a.m. Like, is that okay? Like, let us in, blah, blah. Okay. And then he qu'est-ce que c'est? He has a scheduled transportation for us. Okay, cute. So he knows. And then we come, he's like, okay, the first room will be ready at 8:30. And then and then we're like, oh, like, do you have a bathroom so we can use? He put us in this room. He's like, oh, this guy checked out, we haven't cleaned it yet, but you can go use this bathroom. When I tell you the fucking bathroom was tore up, I was like, go, you big. And I was like, Lord Jesus, like, all I want to do is wash my hands, wash my face, and put on some sunscreen. Anyways, we were like, no. But ultimately, we ended up sitting outside waiting for our room until 1 p.m. Oh, 6 a.m. for 1 p.m. Sitting there looking crazy with our feet. And then we get into bed, shower, room, bare bones, because it's carnival season. But what we got for the money we paid, I kid you not, y'all would literally scream. So I'm gonna show you guys what the room looks like eventually, like, and you're guys gonna have to put in the comments how much you think total it was. And hint, everything was in USD. So like, for example, $50 USD is like $70 Canadian. So Daddies, you wanna say hi? Hi. Ooh. Tipsy bartender. Oh. Cheers. Oh, Melly baby. Tipsy bartender. We need a Cheeto chase. Outfit of the day. Yeah. Sheila, tell me the outfit. Where'd you get it from? Oh, it's this way. Hi, everyone.
Sorry, hello, everyone.
Oh,
so outfit is from Shein, as you can see.
Oh, where's the body from? Where's the body from?
Body is from God Bless. Blessings from God.
Curry goat.
Curry goat.
Dumpling. Goldfish.
Bug is from Shein as well. Shoes are Tibas because we need to be comfortable. But you know, hair, we gatekeep my hair, and that's it. So we're gonna move on to the next. Okay.
Outfit of the day.
Okay, hair is me. I did it. are Skechers, $20. Purse is my mother's, and yeah.
Dang.
We got
We got bodysuit off Amazon. Boohoo. Skechers.
Where's the belt from?
Bag. Oh, Shein and Amazon.
Outfit of the day. Okay, the set is from Fashion Nova. Sandals are Tevas because we're comfy. Fanny pack is from Hayes Luggage. They'll get you right. Hair by Talsy.
Yeah.
Canada.
Yeah.
Nails by Chaotic Beauty.
Outfit of the day.
Fashion Nova.
Ooh.
Steve Madden.
Oh.
Bag you can't see. Bagu Crescent bag.
Oh.
And the hair by me, girl.
Okay.
Women's and
Shots.
give me that middle one.
Oh yeah, everybody get
Cheers. You don't have to take the shot.
Oh, I don't?
Jan is bullying.
I'm okay.
Yes. Peer pressure works.
Peer pressure.
How many shots?
Am I expected to be
shot?
the Dorothy
Two
Explorer?
Two drinks.
For
One shot. How many liquor is in that? A shot and a half? Okay, it's just one little juice.
En route. En route. En route.
This is his week.
What do you like about corn?
It's cold. A big corn Vietnam. It has the juice.
Come on, hey. Oh. Ooh.
Why don't you have to stand on the pole while you're at it?
No, you know what? Swing.
Just stand on it. There you go.
Swing.
There you go. There
Come
you
on.
go.
Upper body strength. Oh.
No.
Patrice again. Ooh. Ooh. Let's go. Let's go. First morning in Trinidad. We got a whole bunch of groceries thanks to Malika's auntie. I had to get comfy again because I was getting hot.
Oh, it's so hot.
And we need to eat because we have like T-minus 1 hour to get ready.
Yeah.
Real breakfast, corned beef sandwich. I'm jealous.
It's so good. It's so good.
Ooh! Damn! Damn, everybody ate me. I'm eating, bro. I had to drink the coconut water. Ooh, she is delicious. And she's bottled. Viva la Coco? Could never. I'm satisfied.
It's like an advertisement. Viva the Coco. Oh, Wendy's coconut water.
Wendy's coconut water. It's boat day. We're about to leave
Yeah.
and figure everything out.
And it's
Yes, Jamaica. Represent down.
You know, I know, but it's okay. Because guess what?
Jamaica. Drink up baby. Cheers. Ginger beer and rum. What do you have?
White oak rum and
Grapefruit soda and rum.
Pocket, delicious. Oh, it's fat. It's fat. It's fat. It's shaking. It's shaking. I swear.
It was seen. It was
I
seen.
swear.
We got witnesses. Witnesses.
Ricochet. Hold on. Got you. Come on. Touch. We made it home, but the girls want to go back outside. Why are we going back outside?
Because I don't have a ring on my finger.
Oh, clock it. Clock it. I don't know if I have it in me. I lost one of my fucking earplugs.
You have to say what? Oh, okay. Richmond's not gonna give too.
Oh, so much is happening.
And
I've been feeling extra rich because we have been paying so many things in USD, girl. USD.
I thought we're coming out right now. Okay, we're right here.
We had to stop and get KFC.
Oh god.
So delicious. Finger licking what?
Good.
Spicy one.
Oh, I got spicy too. Let me flip the girls.
I wonder if she made all the drumsticks spicy.
Maybe.
If I knew you guys like drumsticks, I would have just asked for all drumsticks.
I like drumsticks, yeah.
Wow.
I
Dark
don't know.
meat? Wait, baddies. Do you like dark meat or like white meat?
Dark,
Dark.
Dark.
dark, all the way.
Dark. Why the hell am I eating a chicken breast when I can have a chicken leg?
Facts.
Ooh. Facts. But the girls want to go out again. They said, let's go to Frankie's. I said,
Not
who's
me.
Frankie?
Not me.
Literally, who's Frankie? But it's a bar. And I was like, but it's only 8 o'clock.
Yeah, it's early.
Bro, it feels like it's 2 a.m. Like, I'm tired. I'm dead tired.
Do you want to know why Gabby's tired? Insert clip.
Oh.
Come on. Come on.
Wait.
Insert clip.
That wasn't me. That wasn't me.
That was Gabby.
Gabby down. Guess where we are? We in Trinidad.
Trinidad! Where are my people? Where are my people?
When I tell you this vlog is about to be legitness, it's about to be iconic, it's about to be amazing. So don't forget to hold on. Clock it, like, comment, and subscribe. Trinidad! And join the baddie gang. Whoa, the baddie gang needs you. Oh, Trinidad. Hi, baddies, checking in. I don't know. Is this day 3? couldn't tell you, but when I tell you tour up trenches, I don't think I've ever given a room tour. And when I tell you there's not much to give, there's not much to give. I think we're literally just paying for location. There's a sweetness. Also, my new bit on this trip is like using like the Caribbean words, like the flirting words that I hear all the time. So my favorite right now is sweetness and brownie. Oh, and another one that I was getting, rustices. Anyways, room tour. We have a door there, me down, shoes, and just like 2 beds and AC, and then the bathroom. Oh my days. The bathroom. Yeah. Not much. Like, and it's like really humid in there. But we have like a kitchenette. We have not used it yet. But Melly's auntie, love her down, brought us some groceries. Ooh, it's cold in here. Oh, outside. But I have to remember to give you a view outside because it's kind of cunty. This is the kitchen, fridge, KFC. And also, guys, if you are a Dasani hater, please tell me in the comments, because when I tell you Dasani in Trinidad, bone amaito. But the vibe for today is the beach. The girls want to go take out some more Kamani TTDs, and then I'm gonna clean up, put away my shit, and then like shower, and then I think we're going to waterfall, so you know. I'm gonna bring the GoPro, and this is the outfit. Pink bathing suit and some shots. Ding 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 ding. Oh yeah, I should probably bring my water shoes. Yo, we broke the fuse.
Trying to do our best with the residual heat that we have.
Yeah. And we have to toast the bread on the bed. Oh. Cooking at the store. That's bacon. Eggs, bacon, grits, sausage. Got a fat ass, but I still take. Oh! Breakfast.
So typically,
Gabby is chefing it up.
They typically interview like probably half the applicants that applied. So let's say they're cut in half.
We're going to the beach. Holy snack. Guys, it is so pretty. Gabby. Wait, let's get a video of the view. So almost as pretty as us. Oh. Trinidad! Gabriella, should we move?
I've mentally moved. I'm ready here.
I think we're leaving Canada. Woo! Baywatch, Baywatch.
Don't forget.
We completely forgot it.
I didn't forget.
Okay.
She's strong. How much percent?
75.
75.
Drink taste test.
Tastes like rubbing alcohol.
Ooh. Rubbing
And
alcohol.
I put more in yours, remember? Because you said.
This is liquor. Hold on. Look on the mermaid. Oh, oh, it's cold. It's cold. How did you get up there? Shayla's my mood.
Oh my god!
A wild creature.
Today, we out in the wild, naked and afraid.
Oh, there, girl. Oh no, not a blurry.
I have a first date and he wanted. It's not mine.
Oh my god. Oh, it's crazy. When we all go to heaven.
What a glorious occasion that will be. When we all see Jesus, we'll shout, jump and shout the victory.
Victory!
Getting stuck by like a
Amen.
stingray or something.
Not the funeral for the bee. We're in Trinidad! 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 Where are our people? Where are our people? We're exfoliated. Yeah. Very Caribbean. Love language. Period. The food delivery.
Food is here.
Food is here. Holy hell. Bacon shark. Bacon shark. Bacon shark. Bacon shark. See, what is going on? Huh? Wagwan! Trinidad! Trinidad! Where are my people? Where are my people? Where are my people? Where are my people? All my people! All my people! The tan is delicious.
Pick up our job Juve outfit. We're doing Juve.
But they said, let's just go right now in this outfit.
In our bathing suit.
We look. Come on. Here's my sweetnesses. Rise and shine. Good morning. Another day, and in Trinidad, I'm finally getting my coffee after being here for, I couldn't tell you how many days now. 4 days. 4 days. I've been coffee-less. Here's a fit. Oh, wait. Let me show you the fit. We got the flower. Y2 shorts. Malika's tri-slippers. Debrief. How are you feeling after yesterday?
I've lost my voice every single day we've been here. So I feel great.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
I feel okay. Like, I'm surprised.
We get it. It's an emergency, you know.
Fire burning on the dance floor. But I feel okay. I'm surprised I'm not like super hungover. But we're good. We're good, and then we have to like get ready to go to another event.
Back to back.
Back to back. I might wear the same thing.
That's fine.
And,
So
but it's all inclusive.
food, drinks, wine, behavior. Food, drinks, wine, no behavior. New song just dropped.
New song.
Pay me.
on the SoundCloud down below. We have to find bubble tea.
Might be an addict, maybe.
Worth it.
I can hate and love you. Wasn't it 2 sides?
Before you take your shots, Gabby, come here.
Cheers.
Shot o'clock, batty batty.
Shut up. Outfit of the day. I'm gonna wear this top and then this black skirt. Like it? We are going out. We are going out. We are going out. Take and we were the same two bitches that didn't want to go.
I didn't want to go.
We didn't want to go.
I didn't want to go.
And now we're excited.
I'm still debating on going. The only reason why I'm going is because I'm getting a ride.
Facts. He said we'll drive you. Ooh, we ready. We ready.
got all-inclusive tonight.
Oh, because you know why?
Because we're cute like that.
Because
We're well connected.
Oh, top 1%.
Pocket 1%.
You're mad.
You're mad.
Who's mad?
They're mad.
Why'd you say chill though?
Listen, put a middle finger in the air for the ex-boyfriend and girlfriend. Middle fingers up. Middle fingers up. Check it out.
While the washrooms have perfume, mouthwash, deodorant, combs, brushes, everything.
Getting ready for a party. Gabby looks freaking amazing. Tell her how pretty she is in the comments, but yay. I don't really like my fit today. But it's okay. We move. Coochie. Yummy. Out of 10. It's finger licking what? Good. We're alive now. We are alive. After a hard morning, we are alive. Alive and well.
Alive and well.
I'm ready to start again.
Jesus. I'm drinking water.
Oh, 360! 360!
Stay. 2, 4. Hide.
Double take.
2.
Take off your slippers.
Heavy on what the fuck is going on?
Take it off. Take it off.
Take it off.
If you made it this far,
Girls weekend.
comment. See you baddies soon. I love you.